guys, and welcome back again to my channel. If you are just tuning in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and you will be the first to see what I have just loaded up. Trust me, it's going to be fun. Now I'm going to make a breakfast shake. This is another breakfast shake. It's going to give you tons of energy that you need to go throughout your day. So if you want to see me make up this nice shake, well, come on, hold on for my little fractal and let's go with this. Now guys, let's go in and talk about all your ingredients we're going to put into the shake to make it turn up loud and give you all the energy that you're going to need to go out your day. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it for lunch, and you know, it's really healthy. Now let's see what we're going to put in here. I'm going to put a half a cup of raw almond nuts, a half a cup of raw cashew, a half a cup of oats, raw oats, or if you have granola oats you could use that, a half a cup of raw peanuts. I'm also going to add one banana. If you want to put 2 bananas, fine. I'm going to put 1 banana in here this morning. I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of allspice, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to kick it up a large notch. Now I'm also gonna add my almond milk. If you want to use soy, use soy. If you want to use a whole milk, whatever milk that you love, you use. Me choose to use almond milk, and this is the vanilla flavor. It's going to taste like a milkshake type of shake, and that's what I want, so that's why I'm using almond. Now I'm going to be putting my power malt. This is a drink that you need to be using if you want that extra boost of energy. It's a non-alcoholic malt beverage with vitamin B. Okay, so it is really good. So that's what we're using here. Also gonna add my vanilla, and I'm also gonna add my tiger bone. Right now, the tiger bone that I'm using, it's real ginseng root drink. Okay, and this it's like I said, it's real ginseng. Work hard, play hard. So if you want that stamina, this is what you need to be putting in here. Okay, so that is what we are going to be adding to our shake. So come on and let's get all these ingredients together. Okay guys, so now we're moving on to our very first step. Now you're definitely going to need your blender, right? And so the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put my banana in. And like I said before, if you want to add 2 bananas, you could add it. I'm just going to put 1. I'm going to put a half a cup of raw peanuts, a half a cup of raw cashew, a half a cup of raw almond, a half a cup of raw oats. I'm also going to add my cinnamon powder, my allspice, and my nutmeg, because we want that thing to have flavor. I'm also going to add my tiger bone as well. So you put that tiger bone in there. Power malt. So I'm using 1 bottle. So we put that in there as well. And I'm going to go ahead and add my almond milk. Then I'm going to add my vanilla. I'll put about 2 tablespoons of vanilla. I want it to taste real good. So now I'm going to put my lid on. We're going to blend this out until it's nice and smooth, okay? So there you have it, guys, all done. I'm gonna have it just room temperature because I'm gonna have it for breakfast. Now if you were gonna have it for lunch, you want to make sure it's nice and cold. So there you have it, guys. Like, share, thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.